student, welcome back to Physics Samrat channel. Now we discuss to IIT PYQ hydrocarbon. This is the most important class for IIT aspirant. Now we discuss hydrocarbon. First PYQ which is coming out with IIT 225. IIT 225 examination. The hydrocarbon chapter. First PYQ is compound undergoes hydroboron oxidation reaction with BH3 whole twice followed by treated with H2O2 and aqueous NaOH to produce another compound second, which upon oxidation with CrO3 gives 2,3-dimethyl cyclohexane as a product. What is the structure of first? Final product is given. Final product is 2,3 dimethyl cyclohexanone. Final product cyclohexanone is a compound formed by compound first से compound first की reaction BH3 whole twice and then H2O2. This can be theory, this can be summarized into numerical. And this second compound reacted with CrO3 formation 2,3 dimethyl cyclohexane and 4 options are given. First option CH3 CH3 second, and this is third. CH3 and this is fourth. Okay, so now we discuss this question. These are 4 given. This is not benzene, this is cyclohexane ring. So final product is 2,3 dimethyl cyclohexane, which is formed when reacted with CrO3, and second product is formed when first product reacted with diborane and hydrogen peroxide. So now we solve this solution. How do we approach to solution? We can also find the correct answer by one option, but the systematic manner is given question to solve answer. The final product is given as final product 2,3 dimethyl cyclohexane. We can write the structure of carbonic compound 2,3 dimethyl cyclohexane. So cyclohexanone, the cyclo structure hexanone. This compound, this carbon atom is C, which is included in benzene, which is included in ring, not outside. So this is hexanone, cyclohexanone and 2,3 dimethyl. This is final product. So how can we find final reactant? So now we start. So how can final product? So if we found compound second reaction with CrO3, so if we come to backward direction in reaction, like a kinematics, like a chemical kinematics of reaction, this is backward reaction, not forward. We come out to backward direction. So this compound is formed when second compound is reacted with CrO3. What is CrO3? CrO3 and carbonyl. We know that CrO3 Jones reagent. This is Jones reagent. Jones reagent. Jones reagent. This is Jones CrO3 Jones reagent. How can you use CrO3? CrO3 is basically used to convert it secondary, not primary but a secondary alcoholic group to carbonyl. Some structure. For sake of clarity, we can give an example. This compound. When this compound reacted with CrO3, this is secondary alcohol. So this H and this H are removed by H2 and CH3CO. Propanone is formed. So basically mechanism of CrO3 converted secondary alcohol to carbonyl compound. CrO3 Jones reagent. So if we see this structure, basically this compound, second compound structure is just like C, carbonyl OH, secondary, this carbonyl oxygen, second carbon atom CrO3 Jones reagent. So this was COH group, because COH is secondary. Why CH2OH? Because CH2 primary, only Jones reagent converted secondary alcohol to carbonyl compound. So this second structure compound is COH. This compound second structure is COH. This is second compound. So how do we find first compound? First compound is formed when this compound diborane and H2O2. Diborane and H2O2. What is diborane? What is diborane? How we used to diborane to convert OH, alcoholic group. So basically diboron reaction, dihydroboronization reaction, B2H6 diboron H2O2. Basically it is carried out a catalyst THF, tetrahydrofuran. So in this reaction, if we can show example, this is ethylene. When reacted with diborane, BH2 का whole twice in presence of THF, tetrahydrofuran, this BH3 one molecule is act as. This reaction mechanism follow the anti-Marconi-Karp rule. Anti-Marconi-Karp and Syn addition. So not a mechanism is not important. So CH3, this BH3 written as BH2H whole twice. This proton is attached to CH2. This is H and this CH2 BH2. If we reaction on hydrogen peroxide OH and OH break the bond, the final formation CH3 CH2OH plus BH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol, methyl carbamol or ethanol. The formation basically diborane in aliphatic hydrocarbon converted primary alcohol. So how can we find this mechanism? Anti-Marconi-Karp rule and Syn addition. Anti-Marconi mechanism is not important, which can be protonization of least active carbon atom and then form of the primary alcohol. So basically if we find this second compound to backward direction to first compound structure, how can we approach this H2O2? If we take another example of this reaction, assume this 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 methyl propene, 2 methyl prop-1 or 2 methyl propene reaction BH2H whole twice presence of THF. So this H is act, this proton or H plus is act on the least carbon atom, this active carbon, this H. See this structure CH3H CH3 and single bond CH2 BH2 and hydrolysis OH break the bond and final formation of CH3 CH3H and CH2OH. So in this reaction we also converted alkene into primary ancon. So basically aliphatic ancon by reaction of hydroboron oxidation converted into primary ancon by follow the mechanism of anti-Marconi-Karp rule and syn addition. So now we can find the first compound structure. So in this we can see that second structure OH. OH can be replaced by double bond. OH can be replaced by this structure is basically same, but double bond removed by OH bond. So in this compound this is OH and this CH3. Between this double bond is made and OH group is removed. So final answer, OH group is removed. Why OH group? OH group removed in which subproduct? Orthoboric acid H3BO3. This OH group is react with BH3 and form H3BO3, orthoboric acid. So we cannot show subproduct in this chemical reaction, but also subproduct are reacted in physical chemistry or inorganic chemistry. So this final compound is final compound. IPHC of this compound 1 2 3 2, 3 dimethyl 2, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane 2, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane 2, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane. So final answer is fourth part. Final answer is fourth part answer. So this IIT 225 question approach. How to approach this question? This question is basically shown today. We also shown this question by one option checking, but this is a very lengthy. If we go in this reaction backward direction, 2, 3 dimethylhexane from CrO3. What is CrO? CR3. What is CrO3? CrO3 Jones region. What is work of CrO3 in chemical reaction? Converted secondary alcohol into carbonyl compound. So secondary and carbonyl compound removed by in second compound. Carbonyl compound is removed by OH. How to find first compound structure? First compound is how many second compound is found? How to second compound is found when first compound reacted BH3 on twice or diboron B2S6 and H2O2. So this is hydroboronic oxidation. In which principle hydroboronic reaction act? So hydroboronic oxidation is act as syn addition and anti-Marconi-Karp principle. Anti-Marconi-Karp principle in this reaction, how to convert it? This is example. This is basically proton is act this carbon least active carbon atom. So this can be OH. If we see this product and this reactant, this OH group are removed by double bond. So OH group removed and double bond is made. So final answer IPSC not important. 2, 3 dimethane cyclohexane. Next we move second question. Next we move IIT 224 question. 224 IIT IJAR aptitude test. IJAR aptitude test which is conducted by IJAR and ISA Bangalore. So कह रहा what are the X and Z in the following sequence of reaction? X, which are X compound reacted HgSO4 mercuric sulfate plus dilute H2SO4 plus H2O warm. Compound Y, compound Z reacted with dilute NaOH and heat converted into pH C double bond C CO CH3 H 1 2 3 H dilute NaOH plus heat. So what are X and Z in the following reaction? What are X and Z in the following reaction? So is this question one by one option checking? Basically this can be some, this is but this systematic manner again solved by backward direction. This compound, assume Z, is found when this compound reacted with dilute NaOH plus heat. Dilute NaOH plus heat. Dilute NaOH plus heat is a aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. Aldol condensation, aldol and Cannizzaro reaction. Aldol condensation, so where has present compound alpha carbon atom. No presence of alpha carbon atom, so Cannizzaro, that is form aldehyde. Aldol condensation, acetaldehyde, Cannizzaro, benzaldehyde. If but second type, if one carbon atom, one compound has alpha carbon atom and another has not alpha carbon atom, then compound show the cross aldol condensation reaction. This given reaction basically cross aldol condensation. How can we solve this reaction? This compound is PSCH CH3. So we can show aldol condensation example. CH3COH, CH3CH2, COH. See these compounds. This compound is alpha carbon atom. This compound has 3 alpha carbon. This compound has 2 alpha carbon. If we can retain this compound is S, CHH, and this H is H. Basically aldol condensation, active hydrogen atom is alpha hydrogen atom, another unactive. So this alpha hydrogen atom attack to this oxygen atom of secondary CH3CH and same structure CH3C double bond OH. This is alpha beta. This is a beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Beta hydroxy, this compound is least stable. If we compound heated, then alpha of hydrogen atom and beta of hydroxy group are react with and form the water molecule. This alpha and this alpha remove water molecule. This is CH3 and CHO 1 2 3 4 2 methyl butene, 2 methyl butene. This is compound. This is alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbon. Alpha beta. Why alpha? This alpha and this beta, double bond between alpha and beta. So this alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbon atom. Aldol condensation basically if two different type which has presence of alpha carbon atom react, then there formation of there is formation of many type of product. If with this reacted with if one reacted to aldol condensation, one product. If this molecule reacted, one product. If this act as electrophile and this nucleophile, one product. If this nucleophile, this. So basically, if two different type of, this is NCERT question. If two different type of carbonyl compound which have presence के अल्फा कार्बन एटम होना चाहिए. अल्फा कार्बन एटम अगर प्रेजेंस है, उपस्थित है, तो चार टाइप के मेजर प्रोडक्ट पॉसिबल है. चार टाइप. इफ कंपाउंड इज दो हाइड्रोकार्बन, दो कंपाउंड कार्बन, अगर वो एक साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे तो सेम मॉलिक्यूल इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियोफाइल एक्ट, तो एक मेजर प्रोडक्ट. सेकंड कंपाउंड अगर सेम इलेक्ट्रोफाइल न्यूक्लियोफाइल तो सेकंड प्रोडक्ट. और अगेन टू मॉलिक्यूल, अगर फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल इलेक्ट्रोफाइल और सेकंड न्यूक्लियोफाइल तो एक प्रोडक्ट. अगर सेकंड इलेक्ट्रोफाइल फर्स्ट न्यूक्लियोफाइल तो टोटल 4 पॉसिबिलिटी हैं. तो हम वी कैन शो ओनली वन. if we interchange then other product, same product another IPAC, but this is the compound is from alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbon. Basically the main reaction mechanism or main reaction definition or main reaction principle of aldol condensation, the compound which has presence carbonyl compound, basically carbonyl compound which has present alpha carbon atom when reacted with basic medium dilute NaOH, barium hydroxide, another medium basic medium barium hydroxide NaOH, the compound can कंडेंसेशन से मतलब कंपाउंड कई कंपाउंड मॉलिक्यूल ज्वाइंट हो जाते हैं, इसे कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं. जो बिगर मॉलिक्यूल जैसे फिनॉल की रिएक्शन थैलिक एसिड से पैथेनिक एसिड इंडिकेटर का फॉर्मेशन, जैसे कंडेंसेशन क्लोरोबेंजीन का क्लोरीटोन CCl3CHO से रिएक्शन, तो DDT फॉर्मेशन. तो बेसिकली दिस इज अ कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन व्हेन टू मॉलिक्यूल आर ज्वाइंट. मैनी एग्जांपल व्हेन बेंजल्डिहाइड रिएक्टेड विथ n common dimethyl aniline, then indicator malachite green form. Chlorobenzene reacted with chloral, then formation of DDT and many more. So basically this is formed. So we can show this reaction alpha beta, this alpha and this beta, and show the major product. This is a product CCN3CHO and CH3CHO. If we join this compound, this one compound and second compound carbon atom C, and double bond is in place of oxygen atom. Double bond is placed in oxygen atom. If we double bond RHS, how can we make product टू रिएक्टेंट, क्योंकि रिएक्शन बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन पर अगर है. सो वी कैन रिमूव दिस. वो ब्रेक कर रहे हैं दोनों रिएक्टेंट्स का, तो दिस कैन रिमूव CH3CHO. दिस वैलेंसी नॉट फुलफिल्ड was hydrogen gone to water molecule. So we can give to fulfilled valency how many hydrogen atom are necessary. So this is product. So basically if with this reaction, if we given the final product, break the double bond and given the oxygen molecule, so break the double bond and give the oxygen atom, and another has given the valency with hydrogen atom, valency to hydrogen atom. So these are break into PHCO plus COCH3 and CH. Basically 2 hydrogen is important, we can give 2 hydrogen CH. So this is product, and reaction is also given as dilute NaOH, dilute NaOH, dilute NaOH मीडियम और हीट भी है। वाई हीट? बिकॉज हीट पर ही अल्फ़ा बीटा से हीट नहीं तो अल्फ़ा बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कार्बोनिन कंपाउंड फॉर when heat then form unsaturated hydrocarbon alpha beta. So this compound this compound is formed by reaction of HgSO4 dilute H2SO4. This cannot be formed benzaldehyde, it cannot be formed, but this compound are formed. This is 1 2 3 propanone or acetone, this Hg2 plus and dilute H2SO4 also given in options. We can know organic reaction. This ketone acetone are formed by Hg4 H2SO4 and H2O by reaction to एल्काइंस के साथ रिएक्शन। जब Hg मर्क्यूरिक सल्फेट H2SO4 की रिएक्शन होती तब एसीटोन का फॉर्मेशन होता है। अगर मेथिल वैलेंसी फुलफिल्ड कार्बन एटम एल्काइन है, अगर मेथिल नहीं जिससे ये एल्काइन है। एसिड अगर H2SO4 से रिएक्शन करी तो ये CH3CHO एसिटाल्डिहाइड बनाए। अगर ये हाइड्रोजन का रिमूव करके मेथिल फुलफिल्ड एल्काइन है तो एसीटोन का फॉर्मेशन। सो दिस प्रोडक्ट इज एसीटोन CH3C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH. This can react Hg2H2SO4 and form to CH3CO. By this reaction CH3C triple bond CH Hg2 plus and H2SO4 and H2O war. Basically in this reaction, if reaction mechanism then H2SO4 also react. If we can simply solve this is a water addition reaction. OHH. This OH is attack on C carbon atom and this is H. This compound is COH and CH2. This compound is COH and CH2. This compound is COH and CH2. This is a least stable. Because this compound has not fulfilled valency. This cation. So least stable due to tautomerism. So which compound has CHOH group. So this can be converted into this proton. This proton is removed to this CH2 and made CH3. This formed as the CH3CO CH3 CH3CO CH3. So basically this is not H. CH3CO CH3. This is a least stable and tautomerism converted HOH to carbonyl compound. So final answer is X compound this and Y compound is benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. C6H5CHO benzaldehyde. C6H5 benzaldehyde. What is another name of benzaldehyde? Benzaldehyde is another name of German oil of bitter almond. बिटर एलमोंड बेंजल्डिहाइड का नेम कि जो we can also just this answer to option, but this is a not correct method. Fifth reaction, which of the among of the most efficient way to synthesize normal propyl benzene formation का IAT 223 Eiser aptitude test. So this is a benzene ring reaction CH3 CH2 CH2 CN anhydrous AnCN3. First option. विच ऑफ द अमंग फॉलोइंग मोस्ट इफिशिएंट वे सिंथेसिस. फाइनल प्रोडक्ट हम लोगों के चाहिए ये नॉर्मल प्रोपिल बेंजीन. ये बेंजीन पर नॉर्मल प्रोपिल ग्रुप जोड़ दें. जब नॉर्मल CH2 CH2 CH3 CH3 अगर चेन स्ट्रेट हो नॉर्मल चेन के ऊपर एक कार्बन एटम आइसो ऊपर नीचे दोनों सेट नियो कंडीशन. So this is a normal isopropyl 1 2 3 iso CH2 CH2 CH3. So this example, what happened when benzene reacted with normal propyl chloride in presence of AnCN3 anhydrous. The reaction is known as Friedencraft alkylation reaction, FAR, Friedencraft alkylation reaction. FAR, Friedencraft alkylation, same as Friedencraft sanitization reaction. This is Friedencraft alkylation reaction. This can converted into C6H5. This H and this Cl are removed, and this is formed that CH3 CH3. This is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene, not normal propyl benzene. This is isopropyl benzene. This is isopropyl benzene. This is isopropyl benzene. When benzene is reacted. So now we start coming to like, so isopropyl benzene. This is isopropyl benzene. This reaction is Friedencraft alkylation reaction. Mechanism nucleophilic this is Friedencraft reaction and mechanism. This AnCN3 is a Lewis acid and found to AlCl3 converted AlCl4 minus negative ion. AlCl4 negative mechanism because AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. NCN3 is a Lewis acid and converted in mechanism NCN4 negative. This is a mechanism Friedencraft alkylation reaction. So this reaction mechanism is electrophilic substitution. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक बेंजीन रिंग पर सब्सटीट्यूशन रिएक्शन का मैकेनिज्म है. तो दिस इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. सो दिस इज नॉट आंसर. दिस इज करेक्ट बिकॉज दिस कैन फॉर्म आइसोप्रोपिल बेंजीन. सेकेंड ऑप्शन. Second option, this benzene are reacted to CH3 CH2 CH2 OH H plus CH3 CH2 CH2 H plus. This is also formed this H plus, this H and this benzene H OH are remove H2O water, and this is H plus and this OH, this is come out to CH2, this CH2 and this CH2 and this CH3 due to most structure benzene substitution reaction. Benzene most stable structure. This is form iso condition, not normal condition is a less stable. So this formed also formation of isopropyl benzene. And third, this benzene are reacted to CH3 CH2 double bond CH2 CH3 CH double bond CH2. If we can remove the water molecule in this compound, remove water, this OH and this H, this OH and this H, this is finally this compound. So this compound is also from isopropyl benzene. What is work of isopropyl benzene? Isopropyl benzene when reacted atmospheric oxygen then form isopropyl hydroperoxide, isopropyl hydroperoxide, which is unstable, and this can be converted into this CH3CO, CH3 acetone and phenol or carbonic acid. Phenol, this is laboratory method, lab method of phenol formation है phenol का formation. Next method of formation of phenol. So final, now we move. Now we move next option. So this isopropyl benzene was isopropyl benzene atmospheric oxygen converted into phenol and acetone. This is method is इंडस्ट्रियल हाई मेथड, जो हाई अमाउंट ऑफ फिनॉल का रेट इंडस्ट्रियल मेथड पर, सॉरी पीछे लैब कही थी या था, सॉरी लैब मेथड बेंजीन डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड से होता है. सो दिस इज isopropyl benzene. So final, this fourth option CH3 CH2CO Cl first, and then reaction anhydrous AlCl3 पर, then second KOH and NH2 NH2 and heat. First we reacted this. If we reaction this is a Friedencraft acetylation, Friedencraft not Friedencraft acetylation reaction, formation of -HCN, formation C6H5 CH2 CH3. If we reacted KOH NH2 NH2 heat, KOH NH2 NH2 KOH NH2 NH2 Wolff-Kishner reduction converted into CO, carbonine into methylene group. So C6H5 converted CH2 CH3. This is normal propyl benzene. So this fourth option is correct. How to convert this NH2 reacted with carbonine atom and remove H2O and then NH2 and this KOH, the NH2 is remove, N2 remove, and this H2 is joined in that point. The major product P of the following reaction ISER 22. ISER 22 ये बेंजीन रिंग, HBr और ये P, HBr और ये P. Final product. So this is Marconi-Kopp rule. Marconi-Kopp rule. This is a reaction based on Marconi-Kopp rule. This H plus and Br negative. So this is two type of product are possible. First is Br and this H, and this is plus second Br and this is H, Br and this is H. So what is structure? These two products are possible. So how can we found major product? By applied the Marconi-Karp rule and some GOC, Journal Organic Chemistry. This compound is found. This compound. This is benzylic. This is benzylic carbocation. Benzylic carbocation. Carbocation. दिस इज मोर स्टेबल है बेंजीन रेजोरेंस से, बेंजीन और फेनिल रेजोरेंस से मोर स्टेबल. बट सो दिस कंपाउंड दिस ब्रोमीन एंड दिस बेनिन रिंग आर नॉट मोर स्टेबल एज कंपेयर टू दिस बेंजालिक कार्बोकेटाइन रेजोरेंस. बेंजालिक कार्बोकेटाइन रेजोरेंस से कंपाउंड मोस्ट स्टेबल है. सो दिस इज मेजर प्रोडक्ट and this is minor product. So this is answer. Next and last question of IJ 222 पे ये भी है. Which of the following structure of C60 fluorine C60 fluorine. Which of the correct answer? 6 member ring are fused with 6 member rings only. 5 member rings are fused both rings and 6 member rings and fused with 5 member ring, or 5 rings are fused with 6 member rings only. So what? This is pure NCERT question. C60 fluorine. How the structure of C60 fluorine is made 2 rings only. 2 rings जब made 2 rings अब किस टाइप की जरा समझे ना. एक रिंग है ये पेंटेन साइक्लोपेंटेन रिंग और दूसरी ये, और ये रिंग्स कितनी होती हैं? ये रिंग्स पेंटेन 12 और ये 20, और इन रिंग्स का कहाँ था? पेंटागोन्स. 5 कार्बन है पेंटागोन्स, और ये 6 कार्बन है तो जल्दी IPSC हेक्सागोन्स. तो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ C60 फ्लोरीन 12 स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पेंटागोन्स एंड 20 स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हेक्सागोन्स. से जब दोनों जब ऐड कर दी जाए, जब दोनों को मिक्स कर रिएक्शन कॉम्बिनेशन से बंकमेस्टर फ्लोरीन का फॉर्मेशन स्ट्रक्चर जाने. स्ट्रक्चर का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो सॉकर बॉल्स की तरह है. सॉकर बॉल्स और केज, जस्ट लाइक केज की तरीके. पिंजरा सॉकर केज से देखना, ये बना दिया हमने, ये जो फॉर्मेशन जिससे साइक्लो पेंटागोन्स बना दी. अब ये पेंटागोन्स के अराउंड ये पेंटागोन्स से ये हेक्सागोन्स. सेम दिस